just got set up for a bonfire on the beach with some friends. We've got a fire and a bucket for safety and some chairs. And then over here we have a little table where we have all the s'mores equipment set up. I brought this amazing little nightlight from home so people can see what they're doing. It's pretty dark out here. All the things you need for s'mores. And then in here we've got a cooler with drinks. And that is our little s'mores on the beach setup. And it is a beautiful night with a little bit of a moon on the beach.